Valerie Vlogs here, and today I just opened my own slime bakery. Yes, my own slime bakery, and I'm super excited because I just opened and I'm waiting for amazing customers to come and buy my amazing slime cookies. So, ding dong! Oh, I think that's my first customer. Let's go see. Oh, hello, customer.
Can I have 7 universal purple cookies?
Okay.
And 3 or 4 sparkly glittery slime cookies?
Okay, so that's my first order. So can I check again? You want 7 purple universal cookies,
Yes.
and 3 or 4, right? 3 or 4 glitter slime cookies?
Yes.
All right, let's get baking. Hey guys, I'm in the baking area right now, or yeah, whatever they call it in baking stuff, in the bakery stuff. So, I mean, bakery shop, yeah. So I am in my cooking area right now at the moment. Sorry about that, guys. There you go. I'm in my baking area at the moment. Anyways, so I'm using for my batter to make the cookies for my first customer, Madam Doxy. I am using my glitter slime dough for her 3 or 4 glitter slime cookies. I eventually decided I wanted to make 4 glitter slime cookies for this young woman. And I'm also using this sparkly purple universal slime dough for her 7 universal cookies. So we're going to take out my universal dough first because I got a lot of universal dough. So we're going to take this out. There you go. Here's all my dough. Look how much dough this is. All right, guys. So we got my dough here. Yeah. Got my dough. There you go. And then we're going to open my $1 glitter slime dough. Woo! That looks like gelatin. I don't know why it looks like this. See, guys, it looks so much like gelatin. I should just eat it. Oh, no. Okay. Anyways, so first I'm going to make my universal, the 7 universal cookies for this young lady. So we're going to squish my dough. And we're going to spread it out because I don't want my dough to be uneven. And I don't want to have thin or too thick cookies, you know. So, yeah. If you hear all that noise, guys, you know, it's family and stuff like that. So, yeah. There you go. I've spread out my universal dough evenly for good shape measurements. Then I'm going to use this little cookie cutter thing to shape my cookies into the dough. And I'm going to use this dried out pen that can't write anymore. See? If you guys can see, it can't write. Wait. It can write. I just wrote on myself. Oops, that was an accident. But anyways, it's okay. It won't do anything to the slime, hopefully. So, we're going to use my cookie cutter and my other cookie cutter, and we're gonna, you know, do what bakers do when they make cookies. So we're gonna imprint this thing in the dough, and then we're gonna shape my first cookie. So we're gonna lift the dough, guys, and reveal my first cookie. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this other thing right here, my other thing here, to put the cookies that are already made. So we're going to put that right over here. There you go. And then we're going to spread out my dough over and over again. But I thought of a technique that would work much faster than doing this, since I'm going to make 7. I know the cookies won't look good, but at least it will go faster. So we're going to take a little bit of dough, smush it in my cookie cutter's bottom part, and whoa! And then put it all the way down, all the way down. And then we're gonna, and then we're gonna rip it and stuff like that. You know, so it'll have a good shape and won't look out of shape. Because that would just look weird. So there you go. My cookie doesn't look as good as the other one, but at least it's a cookie. So we're going to put that on the other side. So we're going to have two cookies together. We're going to use another piece, put it in, smoosh it down, and we're going to make my 7 universal cookies. Okay, guys, I'm making my last universal cookie, smushing it down and putting it on my, putting it on my tray. My tray for the cookies when I put them in the oven. So here we go. My slime cookies, my 7 universal purple slime cookies. Woo! And then we're going to make, we're going to make 4 glittery slime cookies, which is gonna be hard because I put remember this $1 slime that kept on breaking up? It still does that, but I put the slime in warm water, so it's more stretchier and it breaks up less. So hopefully this slime is gonna work out. I still have so much universal dough left. So I'm just gonna put that dough back into its little baggie. We're gonna package it up, and I'm gonna start creating some glitter slime cookies. Okay guys, for my glitter slime cookies, I'm gonna use the same technique I used for my other cookies. So I'm going to take this off and squish this down. Scoosh, scoosh, scroosh. All right, put that down on the tray. Then I'm going to smoosh, 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 and make sure it has a good shaping, of course, because I don't want Madame Doxy to, get mad. So that's my second slime cookie. Oh my gosh, I barely have enough slime for 4. I just made 2, and this is the dough I have left. So hopefully I'm gonna make a sacrifice and try my best. Yeah. Wow, this is gonna be a very small cookie. Yeah, but it's gonna be a very in-shape cookie too. That's a good cookie, right guys? It's a good cookie, isn't it? Woo! Oh, I almost dropped it. All right, my last cookie, and hopefully this one will be as good as the other one. Others, actually. This one actually works out really well. I like it. This cookie rocks. All right, guys. I have finished making my slime cookies. So now I'm going to grab the tray where I put my slime cookies. And they started to got bigger, especially the purple slime cookies. So then I'm going to use a tray to put all these cookies on. And I'm going to flip them around because they have a really, really cool imprint on the back of them, as you can see. So I'm going to put each one of these cookies down. And hopefully Madame Doxy will rate these cookies good, because I want my bakery, my slime bakery, to be very, 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 very successful. She's going to rate the cookies 1 out of 10. She's going to rate them 1 out of 10. So hopefully it is not a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4. Hopefully it's a 10 mainly. That's what I'm trying to say. Even these glitter slime cookies, they have that cool imprint behind them. Probably because of this. Yeah. There you go. I put all her amazing cookies on the tray, and she's about to rate them. Can't wait to see how she rates them. Okay, here's my customer, Madame Doxy, and she's about to rate them 1 out of 10. So she's testing out the cookies. How do you rate them, Madame Doxy?
The sparkly slime, I rated it's 6 out of 6. It's kind of squishy and you can break through it very easily. Now let me rate the universal slime.
Hopefully that one's gonna do good.
I rate this 9 out of 10 because it's a bit too squishy, but it has great flavor. And it's hard to break through, which is good because it was cooked well too. So there.
Okay, that's how Madame Doxy rated my cookies, and hopefully I will have a successful month in my bakery. So guys, stay tuned next time for another slime bakery video. Valerie Vlogs out.